Guys, we don't even have mail. Look at the snow. This is insane. It's like slush and ice. You guys can't see my camera. It's all wet. Look at this. This is all ice. Unless I got my boots on. But guys, this is pure ice. So be very careful because you don't want to fall. This whole road is ice. Look at this. It's ice. Because we got snow earlier. And then we got ice. This is crazy. I'm from Michigan. I expect this in Michigan, but I've never seen an ice storm out here. So this is kind of crazy. I'm going to show you off our porch in the distance going towards downtown. Downtown Rio Rancho. And you guys can't even see the... Check this out, guys. You guys can't even see across. Because it's so icy. This is crazy. I'm like soaked with snow. My hands are frozen. My hands are cold. Okay, guys. Back in my house. My PD.
I don't see any draft character.
We're watching my PD. They're at a freaking Walmart, so crazy at Walmart. Okay, guys, my pants are all wet. My jacket's all soaked. Yeah. I don't honestly know if I'm going to work tomorrow, guys. That road is nothing but pure ice. So there's a warning out for you guys. If you guys live in New Mexico like me, please be careful on the roads. The roads are very slippery and very icy. I just walked up to my mailbox and the road is nothing but ice. Now, it may not look like anything. Like, it might just look like slush, but there is ice. I almost slipped. That's how icy it is here right now. It's insane. But yeah, I'm gonna get off with you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. You guys want to say bye? Henry will. He's not scared. Chief. Chief. There's the big boy. And there's Henry. We'll see you guys in the next one. Please be safe if you're in New Mexico. Adios, guys. Bye.